Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get fuel in Blox Fruit. To begin, fuel is absolutely crucial for navigating the vast seas in your boats and ships. You primarily obtain it through two main methods, either by bravely defeating formidable sea beasts that roam the ocean, or by purchasing it directly from specific non-player characters. Understanding these methods will keep your voyages smooth and uninterrupted. One of the most exciting ways to get fuel is by hunting down the powerful sea beasts. These creatures, when defeated, drop a good amount of fuel, especially the tougher ones. It's often a good strategy to team up with friends. Not only does it make the battles easier, but you can also defeat more beasts in less time, ensuring a steady supply for your adventures. If hunting isn't your style, or you need a quick top-up, purchasing fuel is a straightforward option. Look for the fuel seller non-player characters located on various islands throughout the game world. They'll happily exchange your in-game currency for the fuel you need. Additionally, keep an eye out for special events or quests, as these can sometimes offer fuel as a valuable reward. Effective fuel management is key to uninterrupted exploration. Always make sure to check your fuel levels before setting off on any significant voyage to avoid getting stranded. Also, consider investing in boat upgrades, as many improvements can drastically increase your vessel's fuel efficiency, saving you resources in the long run. And hey, while you're optimizing your game, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.